How to solve exercise 8.2. Alright, exercise 8.2. Not very difficult. 8.2 exercise. Now in this 8.2 exercise, what is the requirement? You are familiar with a plus b raised to n expansion, binomial expansion. Alright, nc0 a raised to n, nc1 a raised to n minus 1 into b, nc2 a raised to n minus 2 b square, nc3 a raised to n minus 3 b cube, plus so on ncn b raised to n. Now this is your first term, as I explained down also. Second term, third term, fourth term, alright, and nth term. You can see if you want to obtain any term, say first term, then here it is coming 0. Then second term, here it is coming 1. Third term, it is coming 2. Not only this, if you observe, then first term, then the power of b is 1. Second term, then power of b is 2. Third term, then the power of b is 3, and so on. So this is playing very important role over here. So if you want to find out nth term in this expansion, then this is the most important formula that you have to remember. Alright, t r plus 1. Let me zoom it so you can see it very clearly. T r plus 1th term is equal to NCR a raised to n minus r b raised to r. This is the key to solve all the sum of exercise 8.2. Alright, I will explain you. Say suppose I want to find out first term, then put r equal to 0. R equal to 0. Alright, if you put r equal to 0, then NC0 a raised to n r raised to 0, or sorry, b raised to 0. You can see this is nothing but first term. Similarly, you can find out second term. That is, put r equal to 1. Alright, put r equal to 1, you will get second term. T r equal to 1. Now t is equal to r equal to say 1. Then you will get second term. My formula is NC r equal to, you are putting 1 now. Alright, just replace 1. Similarly, a raised to n minus 1, because r equal to 1. B raised to r equal to 1. So this is your second term, and so on. So very easy to understand. Okay, now let us go to direct application of this term or this expansion or this formula. Okay, first one. Find the coefficient of x raised to 4. Alright, this is the another use of this formula. Find out the coefficient of x raised to 4. Alright, so x raised to, here it is 4 you want to find out. Means how to express. You can see this is our standard formula. Tr plus 1 is equal to Tr plus 1 is equal to NCR. Alright, this is our standard formula, as I explained above also. Alright, NCR a raised to n minus r, b raised to r. Now here we have a n equal to, means power is equal to 8, total 8, n is equal to 8. This is the expansion I am talking about, and I want to find out in this question I want to find out third term. Alright, fourth term, sorry. I want to find out which term, x raised to Find out the coefficient of x raised to 5 we have to find out. Coefficient of x raised to 5 we have to find out. Alright, coefficient of x raised to 5. Okay, now let us see. First of all, I just replacing the value of, I don't know what is value of r. T r plus 1, 8c r we have to find out. X raised to n is equal to 8. Alright, as I explained above also. N equal to 8. 8 minus r. 3 raised to r. Means here we have a is equal to, if you notice, that is x. And b is equal to, that is 3. So I just replace all the value in this general term. Alright, now I want to find out x raised to 5. Okay, now how to find out x raised to 5? Means for what value of r you will get 5 over here. So put r is equal to 3, that is very simple or very easy to understand. When you put r is equal to 3 in this expansion, in this power, you will get x raised to 5. So put r equal to 3, straight away it's 3 raised to 3, alright, 3 raised to 3, and x raised to 5 you will get as a multiplication, but we have to find out just the coefficient. So simplify this, your answer is 1512 over. Alright, now this is the same question. Find the coefficient of a raised to 5, e raised to 7. Similarly, you can expand. Now I am calculating question number 4 straight away, because third and fourth are same once again. So question number 4. Okay, write down the general term. Actually this question should be first, because this is your starting point. Write down the general term in the expansion of x square minus yx raised to 12. If you observe here, a is equal to x square, b is equal to, you have minus yx, and n is equal to 12. Just replace all the value in a standard formula that I already explained. Tr plus 1, ncr, a raised to n minus r, b raised to r. Replace all the value of a, b and n. So tr plus 1, we don't require r over here. 12cr, because n equal to, you have a 12. Alright, x square, that is value of a, so that I am replacing in place of a. 12 minus r, I don't know, minus yx raised to r, that also I don't know. So whatever you can simplify it. Minus 1 raised to r, alright, I am taking minus 1 common from here. 12cr, x raised to 24 minus r, I just multiplied by 2, y raised to r, x raised to r, I separated x and y, both power, then just add this r to the first one. So you will get minus 1 raised to r, 12cr, x raised to 24 minus r, because 24 minus 2r plus r, it will give you 24 minus r, and y raised to r. So this is your general term. Alright, similarly, find out fourth term. Similarly, you can calculate question number 3. Alright, find out fourth term in the expansion of x minus 2y raised to 12. Alright, so first, once again, n is equal to 12. This is my first step. Remember, in all the sum, you must mention your general term first. and for this you will get extra mark. Alright, if you are not getting correct answer, but definitely you will get mark for this. A is equal to, you have a x, b is equal to, you have a minus 2y. So first of all I will write down my general term. Alright, I am not bothered about fourth term. Okay, so what will be the general term? I am writing over here tr plus 1, t r plus 1. Okay, it is already given, so let me write down value of uh, n. N is equal to, you have a 12. Alright, you can see over there n is equal to 12. Let me, okay, n is equal to 12. 12 CR formula, general term. Alright, then a raised to n minus r. So a, value of a is x, raised to n is equal to 12 minus r. Then b raised to r, that I don't know just now. Now I want to find out fourth term. Fourth term means I want to find out T4. Fourth term is T4. So T4 I can express in this format.
I would like to have Miss Uma and Mrs. Dipali. Please come to the office.
I want to express in this format 3 plus 1. Alright, so put r is equal to 3 over here in their general term. 12c3, x raised to 12 minus 3. Alright, you can see in general term if I put r equal to 3, then you will get this format. Minus 2y raised to 3, then simplify, you will get minus 1760 x raised to 9 y raised to cube. Alright, so not very difficult. You can see only one formula and all the problem is solved.